Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'll show you the settings for the Logitech G29. Disclaimer, actually these are not my settings. When I was checking for settings on YouTube and I just found this YouTube channel. So I'm gonna leave it in the descriptions down below and the name of the YouTube channel is gonna be on the screen just to have an idea. But yeah, the credit for today's video is actually for this YouTube channel. Let me show you the settings quickly now. So let's go to settings. Let's go to wheel controls. And as you can see, you need to copy everything that I'm showing on the screen. Try the settings. I try the settings myself and actually everything works super easy. And the steering wheel actually, it's much better this way. So force feedback, you can choose how much force feedback you want from the wheel. Gearbox, automatic, or you can choose high shifter with manual with clutch, which I will demonstrate that as well, but let's leave it to automatic. Wheel range 510, and then custom. So just follow everything that I'm showing on the screen. Linearity needs to be exactly like I'm showing. Dead zone is minus to the end, and this is plus. So this is for the steering wheel. So when you turn left, as you can see, it's half. So make sure it's exactly the same I'm showing on the screen. And then throttle, custom again. Linearity needs to be half. Dead zone is minus to the end. Highest is plus to the end. So when you press the gas pedal, it basically needs to be to the middle. And now brakes, custom again. Linearity needs to be in the middle. Dead zone minus to the end. Highest is plus to the top. And this is for the brake. When you press the brake pedal, as you can see, it's just half. Same with the clutch. Clutch needs to be custom again. Linearity needs to be minus to the end. Dead zone is minus to the end as well. And the highest is middle. So when you press the clutch, as you can see, it's exactly the same. And now let's demonstrate that with the gameplay. So it's automatic right now. I'll demonstrate the shifter. But this is a drift car, so let me try to use a normal car, but I can use this one as well. As you can see, it's much easier to use the wheel now. Let me use a just normal car because this is a drift car, so otherwise it'll be confusing. So let me use, what should I use? Yeah, let's use the R34. So as you can see, this is the settings for the wheel. Pretty easy, and it's much stable now. When you use the wheel, the steering wheel doesn't move a lot, which before was very bad. So let me know in the comments down below what wheel do you use. The settings probably will work with any type of wheel. As you can see, I'm using the Logitech G29. You can try, this was close, you can try with a different wheel as well. Also, let me show you the difference when you use the gear shifter as well, which is pretty nice. Let's go to the settings. Let's go to the wheel. And let's go to with clutch shifter, manual with clutch. And now the shifting is much better. As you can see, this was close, but somebody's driving super fast. But as you can see, shifter is working fine. As you can see, the wheel as well. But let me know in the comments down below if this actually will work with your wheel. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, I'm gonna leave the actual YouTube channel that I took the settings, also the name of the YouTube channel is gonna be on the screen as well. So these settings are not mine. I just checked the settings on YouTube and I found this YouTube channel and I implemented to my Logitech G29, and actually, as you can see, it's working pretty well. But let me know in the comments down below if this is the same for you. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.